Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. So I just finished filming this look with the new Natasha Denona pastel palette, and you're going to see this look in several videos for the week because I'm just doing sort of a video marathon today, Saturday, so that you guys have some things to watch next week because I will be traveling. So what I have here now is my Stitchfix box, which Robert calls my bitch fix. And this is one of my favorite boxes to do, but also at the same time, I don't have a lot of money right now. I'm going on a trip that I will be reimbursed for, but I still have to pay a lot of like the food and stuff on my own. And then I also have my fashion box here as well, and some new clothes that came in from Express. So we've got a lot of clothing. You guys know I don't need any clothes. In fact, I've been organizing clothes all morning, trying to pick stuff out to get rid of, and so I'm probably not going to buy anything from here unless it's a love. Like it's got to be a love. But we will try everything on, and you know me, I always fall in love with one thing at least. So let's get into this box. Let's just take our sneak peek first. I don't know what's in this one. I don't think I got my preview on this one. I think she did, but I missed it. So here we go. Let me let the dog in. We'll be right back and we'll look at these clothes. Let's get into this clothes. So if you guys are new to Stitch Fix or the world of subscription boxes, the mailing back and forth is free. You get a prepaid mailer to mail anything back that you don't want to keep. And it's already got a priority label mail on it, so you can, if it fit in your mailbox, you put in your mailbox, but I usually just drop it off at the post office. You also get a letter from your stylist based on your style quiz that you took and the things that you say you like and you don't like and your sizes and your measurements and all of that. She picks out 5 items for you and sends them to you. You try them on in the comfort of your own home, and if you keep them, you buy them. If you don't, you put them in the bag and you ship them back for free. It's the best way to shop. I love this so much. So in here we have our note from our stylist plus some different ways to wear the outfit. So there's cue cards in here that have like different outfit suggestions, and then we have our price list. Okay, so we'll get into our letter from her. Usually that has sneak peeks of what's in here. So let's look at it and then we'll read. Then we'll read what she said. So here it is. Beautiful soft, goes really nicely. The color palette with my eyes, because it's very soft pastels, perfect for spring. And it just says, oh, you can buy styles that go with your fix. So like if you keep items on the app, they'll show the item that you kept, and then they'll send you different pieces you can buy to wear with that outfit. Actually, both of these pieces are Stitch Fix. I'm debating on whether I get rid of this cardigan or not. This is a very old cardigan. It has a hood. It's probably 3 years old now. It's not very old. It's got little polka dots on the inside. And then this is a Skies Are Blue, like kind of tank top type of a thing. And both of these are very old Stitch Fix purchases of mine. Both have held up really well. I don't know if I'm keeping either one of them. This might be the last time you see them on me. We'll see. I'm cleaning out. I'm getting rid of stuff. So, and it is $20, I believe, is your styling fee for this. And that does credit to anything that you would keep. And then I have a referral link. So if you use my referral link, you and I both get $25 in shopping credit. And yeah, so that will be fun. So this first thing, it looks like one of those super soft things that I'm always tempted by. This is by Market and Spruce, size medium. And it looks like almost like a sweatshirt, but it's like a tie-dye sweatshirt, ombre looking, the pretty blues and the creams. Very soft, long sleeve, very pretty, matches my eyes beautifully. That's nice. Okay, so there's that. We got another Market and Spruce, another soft one. This one is a striped one with buttons on the top, and then the top part is solid. Bottom is all the stripes. So she probably just gave me a couple of options here with these tops. These look like they're the same brand, almost the same top, just like a different print or whatever. So, although the other one, this one's more of a knit. The other one does seem like it's a little bit more of like a knit or a sweatshirt. Okay, very soft clothing. What is this? This is by Z Supply. Is this a t-shirt or something? Tank top? Oh, it's a dress. Okay. So this is a Z Supply tank dress, and like a t-shirt dress. It's got a little ruching though, you can see right there. Oh, that's interesting. So, and that's, yeah, that's the supply, and that's a size medium. All right, and then we got, I think this is the cardigan my daughter got that I liked, that I said I would have kept when she got it in hers, and she didn't keep it. I think this is Market and Spruce, and this, yeah, Heather brush knit 2-pocket cardigan in mint, size medium. Of course, hers was like a smaller, extra small, but this is the exact same cardigan that she didn't keep. And I think it's really pretty for spring. I think it's a beautiful mint shade. It's almost like a barely there mint. I liked it when she got it. I might keep it, we'll see, but it's a beautiful, soft, remember we talked about this when Kenzie tried this on, it was so soft, and it's just, oh, it's beautiful. I can't believe she didn't keep that. I feel like she would have wore that, but that's just me. What is this? Look at this thing. It's a blazer. It's coral in color, like a coral peach. Yes, this is from 41 Hawthorne, and it is the Natalie knit blazer in rose gold. Oh, a rose gold blazer. How fun. Looks beautiful. Beautiful, very well made, fully lined. Oh, I love it. I love the color of it. And look at, it's got the tabs. How unique to have little tabs on the blazer like that. And then you've got the pretty print under it, and then inside you've got the matching print. Really beautiful, well-made blazer. I think these are just fake. Yeah, these are fake pockets, but I like this a lot. Oh, I'm excited for this. All right, guys, so doesn't look like we have any bottoms or anything, just one dress. So I will try these on shortly. I've been going all morning. I just need a mini break, and then I will try these on for you guys. Okay, guys, here is the first little like knit top. It's cute. You know what it reminds me a lot of? It reminds me of the one that I kept that had buttons down here like this, and it was like cream and pink and like a mint color. It had like striping on it. It's a very similar style. Obviously colors are different, but this is extremely soft and it's a nice length. I don't think I'm gonna keep this, but I like it and it's comfortable. It's definitely something that I would wear on the weekends, but now that I'm going into the office 4 or 5 days a week, I want the items to be a little more dressy, so I think I'm gonna start asking for some more dress clothes and blouses and things like that. I like this, but I won't get enough use out of it to keep it, but boy, is it cozy. Like for every day, just running errands, and this is like the life. It's so comfortable and just soft, and I really like the color. I think the color is quite beautiful, and it's got these nice little detailed buttons here, and it's a nice top. It's a nice top. Let me grab, we forgot to read my note. But let me grab the price sheet for this and see what we're looking at. All right, guys, this is by Market and Spruce. This is the Gloria button detailed brush knit top in teal green and medium, and this is $42 for this. And I'm also going to go ahead and read what she said. Our note, we have Julia. Okay, it says, "Hi Terry, happy fix day. I'm so glad to see you were able to find some pieces you loved in your last fix. I'm so excited to style you again. Since you didn't get a chance to check out the items in your fix preview this month, I've selected a variety of stylish pieces for you to try, starting with the classic gray knit dress by Alvin Studio. I remember you mentioned you wanted to hold off on jeans and pants for the moment, that you were looking for dresses and blazers or cardigans, so I added one of each for you to try as well. The blazer features a gorgeous rose gold color that's perfect for spring, looks great with black or navy, and the cardigan is in a soft, lightweight fabric. The cardigan will look great with your dress in your fix, or try it with the aqua tie-dyed top. Enjoy, Julia." All right, so here is the little cards and the notes with the options on how to wear. All right, so this dress, this little top is $42. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the tie-dye one next. This is called the Polson brush knit top in light blue medium, and this one's only $40, and this one really does look good with almost the tie-dye eyes I did today. So this is a really, another one, a super cozy piece. Now the sleeves are a little short. Now I have very short arms. I do not have average length arms. I 100% have short. So does it say anything about them being like 3/4 lengths, or they're, like I said, they're kind of short? No, it doesn't say anything about it, but like I got swatches, but the sleeves are short. So keep that in mind, because if you have longer arms or even normal length arms, then that might aggravate you how short they are. So not a problem. We'll just roll it up like that anyway. But no, I do like it. I think it's pretty. I'm not really feeling like I want any more tie-dye, but this is pretty. I do like it. I like the softness of it, the colors. I mean, the actual softness of the material, and then the softness of how it looks it's really pretty. But again, I don't need this. It's really nice though. It's a nice top. I think you should request it if you want this one. Super cute. Super cute. All right, now we're gonna try the dress on, and we're gonna try the dress on both on its own with the cardigan and then with the blazer. All right, this is called the Sela knit dress in gray medium, and it is 58. It's very cozy, very comfy. Fits nice. Definitely needs shapewear, which I don't have right now. But anyway, let me back up and show you guys. Ooh, dog's thing is right in my way here. I usually try to move that before I do the videos. So anyway, you can see I need shapewear with it, but it's still a super cute, I just put little heels on with it, super cute little dress. And it's not overly form-fitting. I mean, it, a little bit, it's got a little bit of ruching and stuff, so you don't see it too much. Really comfortable, really comfortable. I actually really like it. And it's got like a little tulip crossover here, which I also like. But let's try this on first with the little mint cardigan and see how that does. And I want to say this mint cardigan was like $46 or something like that. Big tags on the back of this sucker. Okay, so here is the little mint cardigan with the dress. It's so cute. The dress is cute. Cardigan is so soft and cute, and because it's such a light pale green, like I don't think I'm gonna have problems like pairing different things with this cardigan, because it's such a pale soft color. I think it'll go nicely with any darker color. Also other pastels would be pretty with it. So anyway, let's see how much the cardigan is too. Okay, $46. This is the Heather brush knit. It's got 2 pockets. It's got like ribbing, I guess that's what it is down the front. So this is $46 and the dress is $58. So right about $100 if you wanted to keep both of these. I do love that it has pockets. I like both these pieces. Really nice pieces. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take this off. We're gonna try the blazer on. The blazer I know is expensive, but it's not awful. It's actually $88, which I don't think that's bad for a blazer like this. I'm hoping that fits me. So let's take a look. And this might be the piece that I keep. I do not have a blazer in this color. I love it. It's like in between a rose gold, a peach, and like an apricot color or coral color. I really like this quite a bit. So here, this is something I would wear to work a lot. I like, this feels so good. I love how this is. I love how the sides are. I'm not a huge roll tab sleeve, but I've never seen like roll tabs on a blazer. And I like it. I like it on the blazer much better than on the blouses. It's like it's obviously more hardy, more thick. And then you've got this beautiful color in the lining, and it's got, I don't know, I don't think it has, nope, there's no shoulder pads in there. It's just kind of the way that it's sewn in. It looks like it's got a little something, but there is no shoulder pads in it. But it is fully lined, as you can see. And it's beautiful, and it's the kind that I really like, that kind of cinches a little bit. I don't think there's a button or anything. Nope, this is just one that hangs open. There's no button to close it. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what it looks like from behind. Oh, I like this. This might be the item that I hold on to, because this is the one that's pulling my heartstrings. This is the one that I'm like loving. The other items were great, but this one is fab. And it's such a pretty color for spring. Like, this is the type of year I will get a ton of use out of this. In fact, it might even be something I take with me to my trip Monday. I could wear it on Monday. All right, those are our items. Like I said, this is $88. So I don't know what my final decision is. I think I'm gonna keep the blazer. That's what I'm thinking. But definitely would love love to hear your opinions and thoughts and comments in the comment section below. What did you love? And do any of you, I know sometimes I'll put these pieces on and other people are like, I have that in a different color, I love it. Or you know how it washes and wears. Share that down in the comments. Even if I don't keep one of the items that you have that you're saying something about, somebody else might request it and it might be valuable to them. So definitely share. I love that we have such a strong community of beautiful, wonderful, strong women, and let's help each other out. So all right guys, so I think this is it. I think I'm going to get the blazer. That's as of right now. If that changes, I'll let you know. I'm kind of loving this little dress too. Not with this, not to wear together, but just because I like the dress. So we'll see. Anyway, I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe if you're not already. And if you are interested in getting a Stitch Fix, my link will be down below if you want to use it, and you and I will both get $25. So win-win. All right guys, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all real soon. Bye guys. That was yours.